Welcome to the tutor STEM. This is Mohit Prajapati. I am physics faculty. So today we will study the class 11th physics. Chapter is unit and dimension. So before unit, we should know about the what is quantity. Basically, the physical quantity. Physical quantity. So physical quantity is an sorry. So physical quantity is a quantity which can be measured. Which can be measured anything is a quantity. Example length. Suppose it is a line, and if I ask what is the length, suppose it is a 20 centimeter. So 20 centimeter we can measure the length. So it is a physical quantity. Suppose I ask what is the weight of this pen. Suppose it is of 20 gram or 100 gram. So I can measure what is the quantity. So it is a physical quantity. किसी भी चीज को अगर हम मेजर कर सकें इज फिजिकल क्वांटिटी. Suppose I ask you what is the quantity of love, anger. We can't measure love, we can't measure anger, we can't measure trust. So these are not physical quantity. Physical quantity are those which can be measured and it can be expressed in first is numerical value. And second one is unit. Physical quantities are expressed in two things. First is numerical value. Suppose this is 20. 20 is numerical value. And centimeter. Centimeter is unit. Now come to the unit. Unit. Unit क्या होती है? Unit are the thing which can be measured the physical quantity. Physical quantity को measure करने के लिए जिस चीज की जरूरत होती है वो होती है unit. Suppose physical quantity is length. If I talk about the length, it is 20 meter. Sorry, it is 20. अगर मैं ये बोलूं कि ये 20 है तो उसका मतलब क्या है? कोई बता नहीं सकता कि ये 20 है क्या जब तक मैं इसके आगे यूनिट ना लगा दूं, मीटर और सेंटीमीटर. तो बिना यूनिट के फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज आर मीनिंगलेस. If there is no unit, we can't measure any quantity. So unit are the things which are used to measure any physical quantity. So there are basically three systems. First is CGS. C stands for centimeter. G is gram. It is unit representing the length. It is the representation of weight or mass. S stands for second. So this is CGS system. CGS. C is centimeter, G is gram, S is second. And now come to the second system, which is FPS. Second one is PS. F stands for foot, P stands for pound, S is again second. So foot is measurement of length. Measurement of length. Pound is used is measurement of mass. And second is time. Second is used for time. There may be other more systems which are used in the world, but the most important system, which is SI system, system of international, it is the widely used all over the world. It is MKS. M stands for meter, K stands for kilogram, and S stands for second. Meter for length, kilograms for weight or mass, and S second is time. Now come to the other one. So units are of two types. One is fundamental. Fundamental units. The units which are fundamental in nature, there are 7 types of fundamental units. First is length, which is measuring meter or centimeter or feet or mm. Second is mass. It is also fundamental unit. Mass, it is measuring kilogram, gram. Third is time, it is measuring second, hour, minutes, etc. Fourth one is temperature, measured in Kelvin or degree Celsius. Five. Next, fifth one is current. Second is ampere. Second one is luminous intensity. Second unit is candela, luminous intensity. Seventh one is last one is amount of mole, amount of substance. It is SI unit is mole. So basically these are the 7 fundamental units which are used widely all over the world. And the next one is the driving units. Driving units are the units which are obtained from the fundamental units by combining two or more units at the same time. So units Next one is gravity units. Drive units. So these are units which are derived from the fundamental units by combining two or more units at the same time. Example is velocity. Velocity. It is combined by the units of length divided by time. It is the unit is meter. The meter is units of length, and the second is unit of time. So it is meter per second. It is the drive unit, which is of velocity, which is derived from the length and time, which are fundamental in nature. Next example is acceleration. Acceleration is rate of change of velocity, or so again, we drive the units of velocity is meter per second here, and again there is one more second time. So ये ऊपर गया तो ये जाएगा meter per second. It is that unit which are derived from the fundamental units of meter and second. And other example is force. Force is mass into acceleration. Mass unit kg. Acceleration की क्या derived is meter per second. It is also derived from the fundamental units. So these are some basic examples, and there are like infinite drive units which can be derived from the fundamental units. So what is the basic, the importance of the units? Now come to the dimension. Dimension is nothing, it is but dimension are the representation of the physical quantity. For example, for length. Length. The dimension of length is L, and it is representing in the bracket. डायमेंशन को हमेशा ब्रैकेट में यूज करते हैं, और इसका अभी बताऊंगा इसका एन मास का होता है एन ब्रैकेट में, और टाइम का होता है टी ब्रैकेट में. But the basic representation of any dimension of any quantity is represented as m power a, l power b, t power c. The bracket. M represents the mass, L represents the length, and T represents the time. Suppose if I write the dimension of length, so what will be the basic dimension? It is, there is no mass, so m to the power 0, m to the power 0, length power 1, because length there is no time, time to the power 0. So it is basic. For mass, n to the power 1, there is no length, to power 0, there is no time, to power 0. For time, n to the power 0, L to the power 0, T to the power 1. if I can velocity, the dimension of velocity, the formula is, the unit is meter per second. So dimension is n to the power 0. There is power of meter is 1, so power of length is also 1. Power of s is minus 1, so t to the power minus 1. This is the dimension of velocity. The dimension of acceleration is unit is meter per second square. So dimension of acceleration is n to the power 0, length 1, t is minus 2. If I calculate force, the unit is mass into acceleration, a kilogram meter per second square. So dimension is, there is power of kg is 1, L is 1, E minus 2. This is some basic example of dimension. Now come to the again to the units. The conversion of unit one system to another system. For example, let's अगर हमें CGS सिस्टम से MKS सिस्टम में जाना हो या फिर MKS सिस्टम से CGS सिस्टम में जाना हो, तो उसके लिए कुछ चीज़ें याद रखनी होगी, जैसे कि 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 100 सेंटीमीटर, पता हो तो 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So now I calculate the uh, 70 meter per second. It is in MKS unit, MKS SI unit. So I want to convert in the CGS, सेंटीमीटर ग्राम सेकंड, इस सिस्टम में करना है। तो हमें करना क्या होगा, मीटर को कन्वर्ट करना है सेंटीमीटर में, सेकंड तो सब सेकंड है, तो यहाँ से आएगा 70, मीटर को कन्वर्ट करने के लिए सेंटीमीटर में करेंगे हम इसको 100 से मल्टीप्लाई, तो 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 100 सेंटीमीटर। तो डिवाइड में है सेकंड, और सेकंड तो उसमें सेकंड है तो इंटू में 1, ये हो जाएगा हमारा 7000 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकंड। We calculate the 70 meter per second which is in SI unit to the CGS system. Now see another example. I want to calculate I want to calculate 110 Newton which is in SI unit to the CGS system. So what is force? This is 10 meter is force. The formula is force is mass into acceleration. Mass is kg meter per second square. This is the basic formula. This is basic unit. So I want to convert. So 10. We have to convert kilogram to gram. So we have multiply 1000 gram into, this is meter. We have to convert into centimeter, so into 100 centimeter. And second is second square, we into 1. So it is 1 into 10 raised to power 10 into 10 raised to power 5 gram centimeter per square. This is in CGS system and this was in MKS system. अब बस कर दूंगा अभी खत्म बस. अभी टाइम कितना हुआ है? हो चुके, तो मैं अभी यहीं ड्रॉप कर देता हूँ. ठीक है. सो वी विल कंटिन्यू इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर द कमिंग हियर.